Hi students, Dr. Jacob here, and for this short video what we want to do is we want to prep you for on your fingerboard to provide you some markings to help you learn how to play the particular notes on the violin. And so in the mail what you're going to receive is you're going to receive a sheet of plastic that will have 4 lines of different colored stickers that you're going to use. And then you'll also receive a violin fingering chart that's color-coded to match with these lines. And so I'm going to talk you through how to add these to your violin. You will want to have a partner if you can. It'll make it a little bit easier. But if you cannot, you can do it yourself and pull it off. But if you can get a partner, go ahead and get a partner. Now, you want to first make sure that your violin is in tune. So you want to make sure that those open strings are all in tune. And you can start with your A, and you can go through all 4 of the strings. You can use your pizzicato, which is using your finger in order to tune your violin, or you can also use your bow if you want to use your bow to make sure that your violin is in tune. But you want to make sure that your open strings are in tune first, because we're going to add markers for the next series of notes. And if the original strings are not in tune, then we're going to be off for all of the others. So when you look at the violin, we're going to teach you first position, and there's multiple positions on the neck of the violin to play all of the notes. And so with first position, there are 4 sections that we're going to work with, and we're going to start with step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4, each correlating to our fingers, okay? And so with step 1, my step 1 is approximately 1.5 inches down from the very tip of the neck. So it's approximately 1.5 inches down. Yours may not be 1.5 inches down. It might be a little bit higher, it might be a little bit lower. But what you're going to do is you're going to, and have a partner help you, you're going to use your tuner, any tuner app that you can get a hold of. You can use it. Use the ones that Mr. Young shared or that I shared, or any ones that you can get a hold of. And you're going to put your finger down on your G string. And on your G string, you're going to either keep playing pizzicato, or you can use your bow, and you're going to move that index finger until your tuner shows an A. So that's what you're looking for, is you're looking for the A note, and you're going to just move that finger down. And mine was approximately 1.5 inches. And to double check, what I did is I put my red tape down, and then I went to the other side. I went on my E string, so the very high E string. And I did the exact same thing using pizzicato and moving it down until I hit F sharp. And the reason why we use those notes is because you'll see on the violin fingering chart, you'll see your G string, first position, so the red is going to be A, and then on the E string, which is your highest string, that's going to be an F sharp. And so once you get that down, go ahead and put that string, or put that thin sticker right there. And what I did is I added some tape on the back to make sure that my sweat from my hands didn't affect the sticker. So you'll put that sticker right across, and that's going to help you. And if you're unsure as to where you should put it, once you get the note just right, the sticker should be just after your finger. So your finger shouldn't be on top of it. It shouldn't be below it. It should be right under, the sticker should be right underneath where your finger is going to be, okay? So that's the red one. That's going to be in first position. In second position, you're going to do the yellow sticker across. And notice how the yellow sticker across, it's approximately, let me check here. It's going to be approximately about 1 inch from your first position. But again, use your tuner and make sure that when you're playing, that your finger, wherever it is, that it hits your B, your F sharp, your C sharp, and your G sharp. So you want to make sure that where you place it is exactly right, otherwise your songs won't sound right. Now, Between second position and third position, it's actually a half of a step. So it's not a full step, but it's going to be a half of a step. So it's going to be approximately half of what you have between the red and the yellow. And that next one is going to be your green sticker. And your green is going to cover your whole notes, your C, your G is going to be right here, your D, and your A. And then the fourth step down, it's going to be a whole step. So notice how it's about the same distance between the red and the yellow. So again, another full inch now. So that's going to be a full step down. That's going to be your D, your A, or excuse me, yeah, your D, your A, your E, and your B. Okay, and so you're going to use that in order to color code your stickers and color code your fingerings, and then that will help us, Mr. Young and myself, to walk you through how to play your actual notes. So we hope that this works for you. If you have any trouble, please feel free to let us know. And whenever we come back face to face, we will make sure that we tune you properly and make sure everything is just right. But I think once you start to learn Jingle Bells here this Friday, I think you'll be able to hear that it'll be just right. So we're looking forward to teaching you how to play Jingle Bells on Friday at 3:30. Thanks so much.